Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am. Please have a seat, ma'am. Good morning,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Good morning, sir.
Welcome to our grocery store.
Thank you, sir.
So, how can I help you, ma'am?
I need few things today.
Okay, so what do you need, ma'am?
Firstly, I need sugar.
Sugar.
My
Okay.
family has a sweet tooth.
Okay,
So,
so how much sugar do you want, ma'am?
1 kg, sir.
Okay, so if you say your family has sweet tooth, so I don't think, ma'am, 1 kg is enough. You should buy more, I think.
Alright, sir. So, 2 kg, please.
Okay, sure, ma'am. So, it's your sugar or anything else do you want, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I want tea leaves.
Tea leaves. Okay. In any brand you are seeing or any kind of tea leaves?
No, sir. Tea leaves do the wake up early in the morning.
Okay, so you need a tea leaves who can wake you up in the morning. So I
Yes.
don't. I think it's a miracle that, but you have to get out from your bed to make tea. So I don't think that tea can help you to put out of your bed. So
You are right, sir.
yeah. So your tea leaves or anything else, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I need eggs.
Eggs. How many eggs?
A dozen.
Dozen. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Your eggs or anything?
Yes, sir. Please pack it because they don't crack on the way.
Okay, I will pack it carefully, ma'am. But you know how was the road condition, so I can't control the roads. But
Yes,
I
sir.
pack it carefully.
All right,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
Right.
So here is your stuff. Anything else, ma'am? Do
No,
you want
sir. This
anything?
is enough.
Okay, so your total is, ma'am, 850, ma'am.
Oh, it's my arm and leg.